Alrighty guys, this is Guides for Gear. Today we're going to look at the Mini Iridium from Kershaw. Look at that. This is the ice blue. It's got anodized aluminum scales, deep carry pocket clip. It is reversible, which I like because I'm a lefty. It's got the double thumb stud, crossbar lock or the Duralock. Out of the box, it looks, kind of like the Bug Out, except I can see some liners in there. Beautiful action. That is just, oh, wow. That is really smooth. Incredibly smooth action. I think they said it was KVT bearings. That is just, wow, really smooth. I don't necessarily like the gold pivot pin and the copper colored lanyard, but maybe I could swap it out, customize it a little bit. I think I'm gonna carry this sucker for quite a while. I'm really a fan of this so far. I really like the way that copper looks with the blue with the scales there. Beautiful. This one is the China model. It's got D2 stone-washed blade and a spear point. And people hate on D2, but if it's heat treated right, D2 is a really good steel. So I think Kershaw knows what they're doing. Let's get the scale out here. See how much this sucker weighs. Alright, got about 2.4 ounces. And the close length is, we'll say 3 15/16 roughly. Open her up. Overall length, about 6 7/8 for the blade. I'm gonna go from that high spot there. Just under 3 inches. Probably pretty close to 3 on the cutting edge as well. It seems to line up with that high spot pretty good. Beautiful knife. Yeah, it's got full liners in it. And this one is, the Mini. Ooh. And despite it being the Mini, I can get a full purchase on it. It's got the jimping there. You can see they've kind of got a little bit of a concave going on. Nice strong detent. Yeah. Beautiful knife. They do come in different colors and options. If you want to pick one up, check out the link in the description. Support the channel. Thanks, guys.